Can popping your neck and your low back cause bigger problems than you already have? Yes, it can. People say, well, doc, you adjust my neck and back, it pops and makes noise. And I say, yeah, because it's very specific. I'm a chiropractor. I can't adjust myself. I get adjusted by a chiropractor. You can't adjust yourself either. What that's called is it's called a manipulation. And when you over manipulate your spine on a daily basis, there's going to be a problem on the back side of that, which causes instability of the joint space and actually progress the arthritic process along. When a chiropractor adjusts you, it frees up that joint. It's only every so often, and it helps that joint, nerve system, and disc stay healthy. Stop popping your own neck, stop popping and cracking your own back, and see a chiropractor to make sure we have your body and spine back to better health.